You can see here in frame, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if this guy here, how bright it is. And we're gonna go ahead and check it out if we can track the object, and we can. Oh, sorry. So let me go ahead for just a second. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. Panel. Oh, hold on. That's it. And you can see here, and I got the so I'm gonna go ahead and do a droney here. It's so crazy what you can do now. Sorry guys. And then I'm gonna do a quick shot, and then I'm gonna press okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and track us down, and you can see with this rough condition. Anyway guys, this low light right now, and then now, and it's tracking. So you guys see, so it's tracking now. Got me in the frame. It's crazy what it can do. Like I said, you don't even need to you don't even really need to fly this, to be honest with you. You can just press the button and it'll just do everything for you. And I got that now. I think I'm gonna do, oh, it lost me there a little bit because I think the light's going out. So and then I'm gonna go, I'm gonna do see now. Now it's following me, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do I'm gonna go ahead and do a rocket. I'm gonna go right there, and I'm gonna back up a little bit. And then I'm gonna do a rocket right now. So it's recording, you guys can see, and you can see the and you can see the you can see that. Woo! It's catching up. It's catching. Wow, amazing. So you can do I'm the one's about to fall here because I just mind boggling right now. And then you can see, and it's coming back down. Now you guys can see my drone is going down, and look at this guy, it's still tracking it. It's crazy. Look at that, still tracking it. Wow. So you can see if I'm gonna lift up the drone a little bit higher, and now I'm gonna go lower. Wow, amazing. So thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing my channel. If you do tune in, I pretty appreciate it. There you go.